We're reviewing a 3-drawer. It's got wheels. It comes unassembled, easy to install, and put anywhere imaginable. What we'll do is demonstrate and show you what this product is about. From VECELO, it's a portable, compact, small 3-drawer with the top area to put your stuff on. They also make a 4 and a 5-drawer. Portable for bathrooms, offices, small studios, and more. Let's open this up, show you how nicely they are packaged. The CZ0001. Assembly is required. Everything's in plastic and wrapped. The instruction guide inside and all your pieces. There is a special coating on the plastic pieces. Please do not peel off. On the table, everything is laid out. This is your parts list and everything all blown out and how it installs. This is the way you install with the instruction guide supplied. Laid out on the table are the parts. We have 6 pieces. They stand up like so. This is the front. It goes in to the side here and here by pressing in one side at a time, and difficult to remove when snapping in. This piece pushes in, locks in, and the same will go for the rear by snapping in. It has a little back area like a bumper that locks into place. Then we take the top, we place on over the 2 holes and carefully push down and locks in. Once locks in, they are secured into place and matches the photo like so. If you have a 4 or 5 shelf, we're going to be building 4 or 5. We did not forget about the cover. It goes in the back of the unit. It rests on. It has notches that go in here and an area here that simply lay into the slot, drop in to the notch areas, and snap in. Grab and stack and snap in. As these are loose, hold, and when snapping, it'll lock into place with some force. As you can see, it's now held in. Repeat for the top, and you have your 3 storage units. Hold in, push down, locks in, locks in, and done. The top cover has a narrow part, a wide part. This is the back for this piece. Line over, hold, snap in, and now the drawers. The front cover, the back points, and the front tray, the point here and here. If you carefully look, that this is going to go all the way on the bottom. And grab on the top by snapping. And locking into place. And it is on. Slide it in to one of the areas by squeezing in so it prevents from coming out when pulling. We have two more to do. Simply grab to the very bottom, snap on, squeeze in, and on. The last and final step is to place on its side, grab a wheel, place in, snap in by pushing hard and placing on each of the casters. And you are now completed with your build. One side locks in on the inner side of the clip to snap in. Put the wheel on the table, little push, and lock in. Please do check online of the 3, 4, or 5 drawer system to your laundry room, bathroom, and so forth. From the floor to the top measures 22 2/8 of an inch. Going across from outside to outside measures roughly just under 8 inches, 7 3/4. From the back to the front measures 16 3/8, about. From the floor to the bottom shelf measures about 3/4 of an inch of clearance. Each of the drawers opening up inside to inside measures 5.5, the depth of 6 inches, and the inside to inside measures 15 inches from the edge, and an additional about 1/4 inch from here to here. This is your 3-bathroom storage room drawer system. The top measures about 1/8, going across 6 inches, and going from the top to the back 14 1/8 of an inch. You can put items on top, so this way if it does shake or whatever, it will not fall off, as you can see. It has a little indentation, has a groove system on top so it can hold on, and the shelves will not fall out. The unit may become top heavy if you're only using the top and putting heavy items in the top. So please be careful. In our demonstrations and demonstrations only, we have a bathroom that is very compact in size that we're able just about put something in. It is a nice corner cubby for us that we could put items in and open up like so. We could put toiletry, bathroom stuff, and more inside. For corner kitchens, we have an end over here that a 4-drawer would have been perfect. For kitchens, removing the old stuff and pulling out and placing in the cubby in the corner, opening up for small things for the kitchen. The indoor laundry room 3-drawer through 5-drawer comes in one color, white with brown, with the ridge design and the top to put things on. Put it in the kitchen, put it in the laundry room, put it in the living room, a kid's room, a dorm's room, a college, an RV, a camper. Take it with you wherever you want to go. Easy to install. It can be taken apart with some difficulty by removing the clip areas and spreading apart. It comes with the brown handle, nice size drawers. Check online for the size you want, 3, 4, And 5, enjoy your product if this is right for you.